precious. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never ties. Look in my eyes. I'm on the rise.
Hello. What is good? Let me reduce it. Shit, who's calling me? Wait, somebody's calling me. Hold on. Hello. Yeah. Oh, shut up, bro. Please. Damn, bro. Never mind. She ruined the stream starting. Guess what? But you all saw. Yo, Adesh, bro. What is up, bro? GG's. Good evening. Good evening. You saw the title. You saw the thumbnail. Today is the day. It is 7:14. 7:14. We don't have much time to waste before bi-weekly starts. Okay. I think I'll only be able to study for about 30 to 40 minutes. Never mind. But as we saw from the title, I'm a lazy ass procrastinator. So I thought the only way that I would learn digit DP is by doing it on stream. So I thought, why not? Why not do it right now? Decode Demystified. What is up, bro? What is up? The contest is still 1 hour away. Wait, why is my YouTube notification? Okay. Bro, my Discord moderator told me, will you do the contest? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Of course, bro. Preetham Rao, of course. But as you guys can see from the title, today we are learning digit DP right on stream. Please, somebody quickly, bro, who's experienced, quickly give me a good channel that I can follow, a video that I'll be following, or I'll choose one on my own. I'm going to attempt the first contest after reaching night. I might lose night today because I'm only 1851. Yo, first of all, congratulations for being night, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Being night is crazy. But you know what? That's life, bro. You have to be a man and not make a dummy ID. Just attempt from your main ID. That is it. That is it. The lead code king. Bro, I hope you're not talking. Bro, who the fuck? The lead code king? Nah, this guy, bro, never hated my weekends before. Yo, 9 a.m. games. The shameless guy that he is. He's back here again. Okay. You know what? Let's not yap too much. Let's get started, bro. I always yap too much. Somebody tell me a good resource. What all do I have open here? Gemini, Notepad. Yeah. Okay. Digit DP, bro. Please be a good Digit DP. All you need to know, DSA Discord session. Chat. Okay, that's just my stream. Bro, do we do this video? Well researched, amazing content, very helpful, amazing. Let's do it then. Let's do this one. No more yapping. We can't waste time, bro. What's cooking here? Coming with agenda or acting like this is your OnlyFans account? Yo, 9 a.m. games, bro. If you could read English, you can see that in the title, I'm learning Digit DP today. Just done with Digit DP after a lot of procrastination. Huh? Bro, Swastik, you did Digit DP? That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm going to practice before contest. Meet you before contest. Okay, sure, bro. Sure. Good luck. Good luck. We are doing Digit DP. We are doing Digit DP. Bro, LeetCode contest club phone number bhi chahiye hoga. Let's go. Yeah, that is such a nice update by LeetCode, bro. All those cheaters who were making dummy accounts, bro, now try cheating. What other concept should I learn other than Digit DP? Shut up, bro. Digit DP is only for 4th question. It's only for 4th question. You know what? Let's not waste time. Let's start. Let me come towards this side and reduce my size, bro. Yeah. Let's go. The volume is full.
Work, right? And then we'll discuss.
Let me even add a volume. A volume booster.
Because that with this recursive approach, how can we build the DP and how do we save the states? So that would be the motivation. also what I'll try to do is that instead of solving a lot of questions, I'll try to give more emphasis on solving a single question and explain that in detail. Because in the last session, some of you said that it would have been better that if I would have stick to a single question and would have explained it if I would have actually dry run that, right? So that
I was focusing on code forces. The only reason I'm learning digit DP is because I want to solve the fourth fucking question in a contest, bro. I'm tired of hitting 3 out of 4 and never hitting the fourth question. That's why, bro. Let me open chat on my phone. Hold on. Hold on. Let me open chat here. So, you guys see so many ads on my channel? That's crazy. Why is the chat not loading? Bro, what? Yeah, okay. Slow down, bro. What do you mean, bro? We don't have much time before the bi-weekly starts. I suggest you to do digit DP from Why Not DP. Bro, let's do this. Because if I keep switching videos, then it's going to be too stupid. We just have 30 minutes. At least I need to learn the basics in the 30 minutes. This is what I'm using. Decrease volume, please. Okay, of this video? Okay, let's do it.
good thing. But before starting it, let's just
Tell me if that's too much or good.
understand what digit DP is. So I'm sure that most of you who actually do DP must have seen some questions, and the questions are like given such constraints, or let's say that a number is valid. Number is valid if it follows these constraints.
Yeah, what?
Now this could be anything, right? This could be that the sum of each digit is actually some number n, the sum of digits is n, or the non-zero digits
Yep.
should be less than or equal to x, or anything of this sort, right? So these are a lot of questions. So this is what they state, and then they tell us that okay, so this is the constraint for a valid number. You have to tell the numbers in a range L to R.
You know what? I think I can put myself here. Okay.
So you have to tell the numbers that are valid and are in this particular range. Or sometimes they say
show speed, bro. Ritesh Verma.
that you have to tell the number which is smaller than R, right? So this is actually convertible to this. I'll tell that in a while. Now how is this convertible into this?
What did he say?
To tell the numbers that are valid and are in this particular range. Or sometimes they say that you have to tell the number which is smaller than R, right? So this is actually convertible to this. I'll tell that in a while. Now how is this convertible into this? Before I explain that, any doubts so far? Cool. And also if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to just right away ask me, right? Okay, so how is this thing convertible to this? So to explain that, what I'll say is that R simply means that I have to find the numbers in the range 0, R, right? Because there are no negative numbers generally in digit equations, so I just have to find the range 0, R. For this, I can say that I'll find the numbers in the range 0, R. That's obvious. And then I subtract the numbers in the range 0, L minus 1. So when I do this, right? So the way I'll be calculating R would be similar to this, right? And then 0, L minus 1 can be found out by using the same algo. So this way I'll be able to convert the first type of questions to the second type of questions. And this becomes helpful for me. Now, with this knowledge, how can you say, so if I'm giving you a number, right? So let's try to make
Anyway, it has Infosys assistant.
any number. Now let's say the number is maybe 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 5, 2, 1, 6, anything, right? And I ask you that you are standing at this particular index, right? You have already built a number from this to this, right? So this is the number, or this is the limit. So this is the limit where, in which you have to find the other number, right? Or you have to populate the answer. So you have to tell that how many numbers already built a number from this. Maybe 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 5, 2, 1, 6, anything, right? And I ask you that you are standing at this particular index, right? You have already built a number from this to this, right? Okay. So this is the number, or this is the limit. So this is the limit where in which you have to find the other number, right? Or you have to populate the answer. So you have to tell that how many numbers are there in the range 0 to this number, right? This is the entire number I'm having. So how many numbers are there in this range which follow some constraint, right? So technically you cannot exceed your answer more than this. So you cannot say that I have a number that is greater than this and it still follows the constraint. Yes, there would be numbers, but they are of no use to us because we want to find the elements in this particular range that is 0 to R, right? What I'll do is that I'm asking you that if you have constructed some number, let's say x, right? So x corresponding to this, let's say, and y corresponding to this, okay, give me a second. Okay, so y corresponding to this, and z corresponding to this, right? Now, when you have to select, let's say, this particular element, and you want it to be element w, what are your possible choices of w? Now, that would depend on two factors. Now, if your x is equal to 9, and your y is equal to 2, and your z is equal to 4, so the number you have already constructed is 9, 2, 4, right?
Okay.
Now, in any case, you cannot exceed this particular number or the number w by a number that is greater than.
भाई तेरा आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा, इसका आवाज बहुत ज्यादा है. Okay, bro. Okay, hold on.
6, because if you write over here, and then there could be then you will have some digits after this as well, so as to replicate this particular array, right? But if you write a 7 over here, then this number would definitely write, let's say if you write 7 over here, and then there could be then you will have some digits after this as well, so as to replicate this particular array, right? But number w by a number that is greater than 6. Now in any case you cannot exceed this particular number or the number w by a number that is greater than 6, because if you write, let's say if you write 7 over here, and then there could be then you will have some digits after this as well, so as to replicate this particular array, right? Or the number w.
Bro, I missed. Wait. 9 to 4 के आगे क्या बोला? No running. आर्यन भाई आप रहने दो भाई, आप धोखेबाज. Shut up.
Structured is x is equal to 9 and your y is equal to 2 and your z is equal to 4. So the number you have already constructed is 9 to 4, right?
Yeah.
Now in any case you cannot exceed this particular number or the number w by a number that is greater than 6, because if you write, let's say if you write 7 over here, and then there could be then you will have some digits after this as well, so as to replicate this particular array, right? But if you write 7 over here, then this number would definitely become greater than this number, right?
Of course.
So the only choices you have is from 0 to 6, correct? In what case you could have written a number that is greater than 6 over here? So in case to any element to its left, right? Had you used a lesser number, so let's say for 9 I had actually used a 8, right? Then you had said that okay, for if I'm using a lesser element, then every element to my right can have any value. That makes sense?
9, yep.
Guys, I just want this to be a bit interactive. So
Shirt from, bro, I don't even know. Maybe my nanu gave this to me.
element to my right can have any value. That makes sense? Guys, I just want this to be a bit interactive. So okay, so if you have any doubts, just speak right away. Cool.
Okay.
So
Makes sense,
standing.
bro.
So if I am changing a current element I, right, and I'm making it some other. Okay, so the value at I was, let's say 7, right? Now if I make it 6 or less, then that means that this number has actually changed and it has become smaller. Now you have to understand the way we write the numbers, or in any format for that matter. So let's say we actually use decimal format, right? So in decimal format, the numbers are written in such a way that these are the most significant numbers. So let's say the number is 1256, right? Now in this case, this is the most significant bit, right? And this is somewhat less significant. This is even less significant. This is the least significant bit. So if you or the least significant number, right? Now if you change a number to, right, then it's possible for you, and by that I mean if you change the number to somewhat a lesser value. So if you make a 1 1, right, so it becomes 1 and a 1. Now for these two elements you can keep any value. So any values from 0 to 9 are possible over here, right? Understandable? Because even if I make the maximum number, that is 1199, even that would be less than 1256.
Yeah.
So the overall motivation is that if you change a number to a lesser number, then to its right you can set any number that as you like. Cool. So with that, what I can say is that I'll have to keep a track of that as well, that whether I have used a number that is slightly smaller or not. If I have used that, then I can set any number. So I'll be doing that exactly that. Exactly that is what I'll be doing. So that's all about digit DP. I know it sounds a bit different, like
is that it? So digit DP, that's it?
why we call it DP and all that stuff. I'll explain that as we go on in the question itself. But up till this point, if you don't have any doubt, then digit DP is technically pretty easy for you.
Hey Jeffrey, how are you? Bro, who is Jeffrey? Shirt at home?
Right?
Yes, sir.
When I explain the question, it will become more clear. But up till this point, if you have any small doubt or something like of that sort, you can definitely ask right away. So anyone?
Fair.
Yep.
So इस वाले क्वेश्चन में मतलब डालना क्या था?
No, question. No, this is not a question. This is simply the algorithm. What I'm telling you, right?
Oh.
This is not the question. Question अभी discuss करेंगे.
ठीक है.
Cool. Anyone else?
अभी discuss होएगा.
First of all. Okay, cool. Let's move to the question. So the question states that
Let's call some positive integers class C if its decimal representation contains no more than 3 non-zero digits. Okay, that's very straightforward. To understand, not to solve. For example, a class C are not. Fair.
let's call some positive integer class C. Now they are mentioning over here class C, but it's the same thing as saying that it should follow some constraints, right? If its decimal representation contains no more than 3 non-zero digits, right? So if you have a number,
On a side note, bro, just so that it does not look like I'm stealing somebody's video, a code daily, bro. You get my subscription. Great explanation up until now.
it should follow some constraints, right? If its decimal representation contains no more than 3 non-zero digits, right? So if you have a number, right, it should not contain more than 3 non-zero digits. So for example, 4 is class C, so is 2000, so is 10203. Now then it would not have been class C. For example, 4231, it has. These are not class C, right? So you are given a segment L to R. Count the number of class C integers X such that it lies between the range to do. The question sounds easy to me, but let's discuss. So the first thing is similar that I told you, that if you're given, if you're asked to check
So the first thing, if we recall, is if we are given a range L comma R, we'll find answer from 0 to R and then answer from 0 to L minus 1 and then subtract both of them.
answer for a particular range, then you can easily say that okay, I'm gonna over here they are asking you to find it in the range L to R, right? So you can say I'm gonna file it for 0 to R, right? And I'm gonna subtract.
Yo, turn off the captions, bro. Chill out, bro. Turn off the captions. I अब मैं हिंदी भी कैप्शंस के साथ देखता हूँ. Naman Saini, what's up, bro? What's up? How are you? There's no difference between you and Jeffrey Epstein. Bro, we have just started, and this guy, like, bro, at least wait for the contest before you start.
They are asking you to find it in the range L to R, right? So you can say I'm going to file it for 0 to R, right? And I'm going to subtract it from 0 to L minus 1. That would give me the valid numbers in the range in the range L to R. Right? But how do I do it? So right over here, this is the code, right? The way I have actually done it.
Finally, bro, this is the code. I wish I can learn to write this code. DP, bro.
But if I explain you the code, then things might not look that good to you, or you might feel that the question was not that understandable. So I'll try to write it from the scratch itself, so that you are also able to understand how to write the code itself. So I'll remove
Please
this.
do.
Let's start with the basic code, right? So firstly, I have to take the two inputs, that is L and R. So let me do that. So let's call it L. Let's call it grad. Then I'm going to take the two inputs, L and R, right? And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to define a recursive function that is going to give me the answer for each of the input. Okay, so let's define the recursive function. I'll just return 0 so that it doesn't return the error like me, right? And then I'm going to say that my answer is cout recursive of R minus recursive of L minus 1, right? So far so good. I don't think there should be.
Okay, so the recursive function gives you the answer from range 0 to X. Okay.
Any doubts? But if you have, fire them up. Okay. So one more thing. What I need to do is that I'm actually talking in terms of integers. Now when I'm traversing the entire digit DP, right? So by that I mean that. Okay. So when I'm traversing this particular string or this digit, so let's say 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, or maybe 8, 2, right? So when I'm traversing this, I know this is the index 0, this is the index 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, then this is 4, 5, 6, right? Now, if it's in form of a string, what I can do is that, okay, I need this particular index. So I'll say that for the string S, I need the index IDX. That is easy to do.
What?
Okay, so when I'm traversing this particular string or this digit, so let's say 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, or maybe 8, 2, right? So when I'm traversing this, I know this is the index 0, this is the index 1, 2, 3, okay, 2, 3, then this is 4, 5, 6, right? Now, if it's in form of a string, what I can do is that, okay, I need this particular index. So I'll say that for the string S, I need the index IDX. That is easy to do. If it's in the form of number, then it's a bit tricky to do. It's not impossible, but what you need to do is that you need to find, first you need to divide it by the power of n minus idx, right? And then need to take a modulus with the 10 itself. Yeah. So this is a bit tricky for me. And so I prefer using this particular method. Now it's up to you, whatever you want to.
Bro, any sane human, let me be honest, if you're using that power and modulo trick, you are retarded. When God has given you a choice to literally convert it to string and then iterate it, and you still use power and modulo, bro, you are retarded. I said it, I'm sorry. Step 1, buy mechanical keyboard with blue keys, bro. That's not happening. भूल गया था कि contest से आज घर पर काम है थोड़ा. अभी गए वो लोग घर से. घर पर काम. So bro, you won't be attending to this contest. How many lead coins do you have? I'll just check that after we do that. After we do this.
What to use?
Slow down, bro. You're telling me to slow down the video speed or what? I don't understand. What do you mean by slow down?
So as to like give example, what I mean is that let's say I want to check that what is the element at the index 1. So if it's like a string that is given to me, I can simply say string of index at 1, right? Or give me the index of 1. If it's in form of a number, then I'll have to do, okay, so you have to divide this particular number divided by, okay, what are the number of digits after this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Number divided by 10 to the power 5. So the number divided by 10 to the power 5 would give it 98. And then you have to take a model. Oh, then I'll have to do, okay, so you have to divide this particular number divided by, what is the element at the index 1. So if it's like a string that is given to me, I can simply say string of index at 1, right? Or give me the index of 1. If it's in form of a number, then I'll have to do, okay, so you have to divide this particular number divided by, okay, what are the number of digits after this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Number divided by 10 to the power 5. So the number divided by 10 to the power 5 would give it 98. And then you have to take a modulus 10. So you will take a modulus 10 and you'll get 8. So this particular approach is a bit lengthy. So I prefer to use this particular approach that convert it into a string and then utilize it further. So that's what I'm going to do over here itself. Okay, so.
Bro is looking like the Doppler effect. Kavish bro, I hope that is a compliment.
There's the code, yeah, over here. So let me take two strings, or I can convert it on the go itself. So 2 string R and 2 string L minus 1.
now
Yep.
yeah, so in like जो आपने अभी अप्रोच बताई कि पावर से डिवाइड करते हैं so और डिजिट की मतलब जो इंडेक्स है उससे एक इंडेक्स कम
हाँ
माइनस है ना
नहीं डिजिट के इंडेक्स से कम नहीं so it's the other way around. So let's say the string is of 6 digits. So okay, give me a second. Okay, so over here the string was of 6 digits, right?
For that number and modulo मत करो ना, वो just use string, bro.
When you want to divide it, so let's say you want to find the element at the location 1, right? So what you'll say is that I need to divide it by this particular value. So इधर कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So over here you are having 5 digits. So you'll say I'll have to divide it by 10 to the power 5.
10 to the power 5 या 2 to the power 5?
10 to the power 5. It's not a binary string, right? it's a decimal representation. Had it been a binary representation, then I would have divided by 10 to the power 5. So if you just want to get, okay, so just to make it easier, let's say this is a string you're having 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or this is the number you're having. Now, if I want to get this particular element, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100.
Bro, honestly, जिसने doubt पूछा bro, respect to him. काफी लोगों को ही doubt होगा, but bro, people hesitate asking doubts. Respect to the guy.
Right?
Discord chat है कि YouTube video?
Or this is the number you're having.
Discord chat है कि YouTube video? What do you mean? This is a YouTube video of a Discord discussion that is being played on a live stream. This is Inception.
Now, if I want to get this particular element, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100, right? That would give me 12. Then I'll take a modulus 10. That would give me a 2, right? So basically, it has to be 10 to the power. How many digits are there to your right? Cool?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so moving ahead. So this is what I want to do. So over here, I'll have to pass it to the function. So let's call it string, and since it represents the limit, let's just call it lim itself. So lim gives me the limit. Cool. Now I'll say that I'll also need the index. So let's call it idx. I'll also need the non-zero numbers that have already been used. So non-zero.
Okay.
What do I need more? So okay, let's just start with this itself. So I'll say that if your index, let's just display the size as.
Oh, it's 7:34 already. It's 7:34 already. Shit, bro. We gotta do it fast. And the thing is, I'll just watch the entire video at once, and after that, I'll write the code myself. I'm not gonna write the code as he's writing with him. No, that would be kind of like I'm just copying what he's doing. I'll understand. I'll watch the entire video and then write the code on my own. And we need to be fast. It's not that deep, bro. Pradeep, bro, you're a guardian. Shut up. It is for me. Were you learning this? Try CP algo, bro. Maybe next time. Right now, I'm watching this video and it's good.
What do I need more? So okay, let's just start with this itself. So I'll say that if your index, let's just display the size as well. So size is equal to lim.size. Right. And if I have already reached the end, so if my index is equal to size, then I can say that okay, I have reached the end itself, and I should be having a value now. Cool enough. So if that's done, then I'll have to return. Okay, return 1. There's one more case. So since you want it, so the entire motivation.
What? If index equals to size, return 1. What even is bro returning?
Of this particular algo was that the number of non-zero digits should be less than equal to 3, right? So I can use that if non-zero is greater than 3, then you need to return a 0.
Ooh. Okay, so so every number that is completely traversed is a valid number, so that's why he's returning 1. Okay, I understood that.
Right.
If your number exceeded more than 3 zeros, then it will never reach the leaf node, right? There would be an early exit. I mean, it would. It is a leaf. I'm yapping, sorry.
Okay, once we have reached there, so what we can say is, okay, so one more thing I like to declare in the variable, that is your current number, that some doubt? Okay, good. So one more thing you need to declare over here, that as we said, then we'll be starting from the left hand itself, right? So let's say your limit was, your limit is, let's say, some number like this, 1521, and if the number you are already making, so the current number, let's say that is 1, 4, right? Now, since you're using a 4 instead of a 5, then for the remaining 2 numbers you can use any value because the current number that you've already developed is smaller, right? So that also needs to be sent to the recursive function. Let's call this particular thing as same or smaller. So this would define if your current number is smaller or not.
Bro, I've seen in digit DP codes, bro, these crazy people use a variable named as tight. Bro, what do they mean by tight?
After that, we'll say that if the current number is smaller, then technically you can use any number, right? Particular thing as same or smaller. So this would define if your current number is smaller or not. After that, we'll say that if the current number is smaller, then technically you can use any number, right? So you can say that I can use any number. So return. Okay. Yeah. Okay, firstly, let's handle one of the cases. So would it be possible? Yeah.
Sorry, can you explain smaller? Why did you take that?
Okay. So the thing is that if I'm having the limit as 1521, if then I'm starting from the left, right? I'm starting from the left end. So if I've the first number I've taken is 1 and the next number I've taken is 4. Now it doesn't matter what I take to its right because whatever value I'm going to take is going to be smaller than this, right? So that's why I've taken smaller, because I want to know that the number I've already constructed to my left, if it's
this.
Rotomac, makes sense?
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Okay,
Hello,
cool.
am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Cool.
Makes sense.
Okay. So with this, what I'll say is that one of the cases that I can use a 0. Right. Now is it always the case that you can use a 0? Yes, it's always that case because there's no element that is actually smaller than 0, right? So if you are having any number, let's say you have this number, so at any location you can utilize a 0. What would happen is if in the original number also you were having 0 at the same index, in that case the number wouldn't decrease, but in no case it's going to increase, right? So since you're expected to generate numbers that are smaller than this, then it's always valid to use a 0. I can say, okay, use a 0. So let's define the numbers you're getting as res. So res is equal to, if I'm using a 0,
Oh, the main condition is every number generated should be smaller than limit. Damn. Okay. Every number generated should be smaller than limit. Okay. Two conditions. Every number generated should be smaller than limit, and every number generated should have less than 3 zeros. All right. Jeffrey Epstein asking what is kite. Bro, can I request the mods to please ban Goku or something? Kite is that if the prefix is same as limit or not? Oh, okay. Kite is basically smaller. Kite is basically his smaller variable. I understood that.
limit is fine. IDX plus 1, I'm using a 0 right now. So the non-zero numbers won't be increased, obviously. And either it has to be smaller, right? So
What?
it's always valid to use a 0. I can say, okay, use a 0. So let's define the numbers you're getting as res. So res is equal to, if I'm using a 0, then I'll say that limit is fine. IDX plus 1, I'm using a 0 right now.
एक index आगे बढ़ गया.
So the non-zero numbers won't be increased, obviously.
Non-zero बढ़े नहीं, fair enough.
And
Smaller. How do we decide कि number smaller हुआ कि नहीं? अच्छा, वो तो तब decide करेंगे if the character at limit I, the character at IDX of limit, अगर वो 0 है तो smaller is, या तो पहले से ही smaller बन के आ रहा. अबे
either it has to be smaller, right? So if it was smaller before, it's gonna be smaller right now also.
Yep.
But if it was not smaller before, then in one case it can get smaller if the current index was not 0. So if the current index was set to some other value that is non-zero,
Exactly.
now
That is what I was trying to say, but my English is trash, so I couldn't make it in the form of a sentence. Also try bro, Chand Papiya, what? Bro, Chand Papiya before a contest. That's crazy. किसे ban देना है? Nah bro, chill. I was joking. We got to see Kudish live, not in contest before GTA 6. Yes sir bro, today I was kind of free, so I thought why not do study digit DP live. Also try code forces for हर्ष जी रियलिटी. Who is हर्ष जी रियलिटी? हर्ष जी कौन है? उसकी रियलिटी जान के हम क्या करें? चंद पपिया इन द हाउस. Yo bro, हर्ष
0, so the entire number becomes smaller. So now if it's becoming smaller, I can say if it was smaller earlier, then smaller is fine. If it was not smaller, then it will become small if the element at the limit
Yeah, bro,
was not
yeah.
equal to 0. What's that?
we have 7:41. After 7:50, I think I'll start preparing for the contest.
Okay, so if it's smaller, then do this. If it's not smaller, then do this. Now what is this and that? So if it's smaller, then you can say that I can utilize any number for that.
अच्छा,
For
अब यहाँ पे smaller का मतलब क्या है कि आपका जो prefix अभी तक बन के आया है वो छोटा हो गया है, तो now you can add any number at the current index. अगर smaller नहीं है तो you can at max add from 0 to जहां तक आप जा सकते हो लिमिट के.
this particular index, so you can utilize any number from 1 to 9 for this.
Yep.
So you'll say 9 multiplied by, okay, 9 multiplied by
अच्छा, 1 to 9, he is keeping 0 as a completely separate case. Okay.
recursive call of limit IDX, and over here you are using digits from 1 to 9, right? So use digits from 1 to 9. Now since you are using digits from 1 to 9, your non-zero count is going to increase by 1, right? And then your smaller value will actually remain same. So you already checked that the number is
Small, अच्छा हाँ. If it's already smaller, it can never be greater. Fair
smaller, so you can
enough,
simply
bro.
pass
Fair
1
enough.
over here. It doesn't matter if you pass 1 or smaller. So in the other case, now the number is actually exactly similar. Exactly similar. What do I mean by that is that let's say if the number that was initially given to you as limit was this, right?
What? Start preparing for contest like how? Bro, we gotta do push-ups, pull-ups, some dumbbell curls.
And currently you are at I is equal to 2. So considering zero-based indexing, you are at the digit 4 right now. So the number you have already formed is 2, 3, right? And now you are at index 4. Now what are the values that you can use? So you can use any value from 1 to 4.
Bro, this is
The only thing is that if you're using
intuitive.
values
Why
from
was I
1
scared of digit
to
DP?
3, right?
This is so damn intuitive, bro. Why was I scared of digit DP, bro?
Okay, let's just change it a bit so that it makes, okay, yeah, now it's fine. Okay, 2 and 7 is the number you have already done. And right now you're at the index 2. So you can
Now you can add any number from 1 to 4. 4 values. So 4 star rec.
use any values from 1 to 4, right? But if you use values
Please off that CC. Bro, people don't like CC. Okay, bro, as you said. Try to prepare for cry, bro. Today's question 4 will blow your mind. Mark my words, chat. Chand Papiya 9016 is back with his assholish predictions. Let's see, bro. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, then your number is going to become smaller because in this case the number
From Zudio, bro. I have no clue. I had this shirt in my closet. Does this shirt look good or what, bro? Does this shirt look good? Do I look jacked? Do I look jacked, bro? Be honest. Do I look jacked? Nah, bro, I'm not jacked. Okay, bro. Okay, back to where we were.
Is going to become, let's say 27 followed by a 1 or 2 or a 3, right? So this number is going to be smaller.
Looks like zebra.
But if you pass 4, then the number is going to be same.
Okay, okay.
That would give you the number at this particular position. Okay. And then I'm going to subtract 1. Now why I'm subtracting 1? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to subtract 1 because I don't want the numbers. So for example, the number over here was 1. So it will give me 1. So this particular expression would give me 1 itself. But since 1 is the value, if I'm going to take that, I'm not going to make my number smaller. So hence I just want the value 0 to be here. Or let's say the number over here was actually 3. So this
3 minus 0 would give, what the fuck is he saying, bro? Limit index minus 0. So let's say it was 0 minus 0. So 0 milega. Why did he do minus 1?
The expression would have given me 3. But I just want to test it for two values, that is 1 and 2, because that are the numbers that are going to make my current number smaller. So I'll say
ओह अच्छा अच्छा दो केसेस बनेंगे कि आप अगर आपका प्रीफिक्स पूरा मैच करते हुए जा रहा है. So there are two cases. You can either continue to make it smaller. You can either continue to make it the same or make it smaller. That is why, bro. That is why. Understood it.
that recursive, okay, the result is
Chat,
plus
my
equal
brain
to
is
lesser.
working today.
And let's just use them.
Lesser में एक आएगा और equal to में एक आएगा.
So I can use any of these numbers.
If lesser is greater than 0,
No. So whatever numbers would be there here in the lesser, I can use any of these numbers. And then the limit would remain same, that's obvious. Also one good idea whenever you're using recursion is that always mark it with a constant so that you mistakenly don't change it, right? And then you'll keep wondering what's wrong with your solution. So yeah, limit.
chat, we found an error. Lesser star REC तो लिखो भाई.
And then you'll be going to the next index. And then you'll say that okay, the non-zero is now increasing by 1. Okay, non-zero plus 1. And smaller would be 1. Because now you are using a smaller element, so your smaller is also
अब smaller हो गया.
okay. Now if you use the greater element, so if your limit index,
It looks good. By the way, your WhatsApp chat. भाई WhatsApp आज कहाँ से दिख गई WhatsApp chat, bro? What? आज कहाँ से दिख गई? Just check why not digit channel, bro. This guy is also teaching good. हमको भूल गए क्या? भाई Red, how can we forget you, bro? My Bengali IITian brother. What's up, bro? What's up?
okay. Now if you use the greater element, so if your limit index is not equal to 0. Now why I'm checking this, because for limit index equal to 0 or for the 0th index considering at the current location, I'd already performed this, right? So I don't want to recompute.
What? If
Limit index equal to 0 or for the 0th index considering at the current location, I'd already performed this, right?
अच्छा भाई इतने सारी cases. Okay, this is where it's getting a bit confusing, bro. I will target solving till question 3 today. Good luck, bro. This is where it's starting to get a bit goddamn confusing, bro.
So I don't want to recompute it, else my answer would become wrong. So I'll say result plus equal to limit idx plus 1. Okay, sorry, recursion of limit, go to the next index, right? And then non-zero would increase by 1. And now it won't be smaller because you are using the same element, so it's not going to be smaller. So I'm just putting a 0 over that.
Fair.
After that, once you have included all of this, you can pass return res. Let's populate the values over here as well. So firstly, you're passing the number as a string. Then you'll be passing the current index, that is 0. Then you'll be passing the number of non-zero digits. That is also 0.
Is that it?
Okay, it failed. No, why it failed? Okay, let me see that. Okay, so firstly, we are sending the result. If non-zero is greater than 3, then return 0.
Bro, what is Chand Papia yapping? Anybody has AWS global certificates in the chat, including the streamer too? First of all, why the hell can you not ever write a comment without 4 fire emojis in the end, bro? Come on. AWS global certificates? Nah, bro. We don't.
So if size is equal to limit dot.
We don't. That will be provisioned in greedy graphs. DP don't do it for contest rating. Radha Krishna Tela Prolu 9360, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Size then.
I'm doing just out of curiosity.
Okay, size is taken over here.
58th line.
How's Goku? Okay, now we have to ban Goku. Now he's crossing the limit. Now we have to ban him.
Like recursion detect function दोबारा कॉल किया था तो लिखा नहीं.
Oh.
Oh,
right.
see, this is the error. This is the error I told. I also told. This is the error.
Good analysis, by the way. Yeah, these things are quite common when you are doing stuff and you miss out on something, and then out of nowhere you'll not be able to understand why your code is failing. It's still failing. I'll have to analyze why. So if my limit index is not equal to 0, then do this. So you construct the limit, Guys, is it fine if I'm debugging along? Maybe you'll be able to learn that how to debug the stuff, or should I just post the solution, like just check it where it's getting wrong? What do you guys want?
Debug
Yeah,
along.
debugging is good. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me do the debugging then.
Hey,
Okay,
what's your
so
colleague's reaction about your YT? Nobody knows, bro.
one way of debugging is that.
Nobody knows.
Okay, let me see if non-zero was 0, right? Okay, non-zero is set to +1. That's fine. Okay, yeah, over here.
What
Okay,
was the issue?
So one way of debugging is that. Okay, let me see if non-zero was 0, right? Okay, non-zero is set to +1. That's fine. Okay, yeah, over here.
Index +1 nahi kara.
I had to do index +1. I'm going to the next index. I hadn't done that. Let's see. Passed, right?
Okay, it works for him. Let's write the code ourselves, bro. That's it. Let's write the code ourselves. Let's write the code ourselves. How many hours of grind did it take you to get this level of DSA, bro? I'm ass. You can, bro. I don't know, bro. There's no single number. Who is Looney first year? Are you predator? Hell nah. Bro, I don't know why. Who the hell are you guys even talking about at this point? I don't know. New.cpp. In fact, you know what? Let's write in this itself. Bro, I need a. Yeah, let's write our code. Bro, what all have I written here? What is this bullshit code that I've. हो गया. Okay, let's write the code now. Okay. Chat, now is the time to actually realize if we understood it or not. What? Yep, let's write the code ourselves now. It's 7:50. I might not be able to complete it, but fair enough. So, int rec. Okay, so this function calculates how many numbers exist before limit which have less than k non-zero digits. Yes, sir. Fair enough. So we'll give it a string, a constant string as he suggested. Constant string and limit. We'll give it an index, idx. We'll give it a what? Just erase that code. 2.5k. Nah, bro. That we don't erase that. Did you do the CSE problems stat? No, I did not, bro. I don't think so. I did. Okay, index, limit. What all do we? What else did we need? Boolean of smaller, non-zero. Int non-zero. How many non-zero? I think we only need these 4 things. The base condition was if index equals to limit dot length, then you return 1. This was the base condition. If non-zero is greater than 3, return 0. 2 base conditions we have. Less than k. Less than or equal to, okay, that is a different thing. Chat, would we be able to write the code? Bi-weekly चालू हो गई है. Bi contest चालू होने वाला है. Yeah, bro, you're kind of right. Should we wait? Trying hard to be CP guy. Wait. I'm not aware of it. CP guy. Is he a YouTuber? You're talking about him? Who am I trying hard to be? Pizza RP, bro. This guy does not even code. Okay, chat. It's nice to practice. It's nice to first practice and learn these topics early and then doing the acting. Chand Papia, bro. Okay, so this guy is trying to say that I learned DP before stream. Do you think so? Think logically, what all do you need? Don't remember what he wrote in the video. Yeah. You're right. No, I remember. I think I can write the code. But because the contest is about to start, I think we should even test my brain that can I write the code after the contest ends? Do you think so? That would be better. What if I train my brain? Because right now it's very fresh in my mind. I can write the code. I 100% know. I can write the code, bro. But what if I wait until the contest ends to see if I still remember the code? Mike is a YouTube channel. He will soon start Digit DP series soon, bro. Mike Code story. I know him. He's the goat. He's the cool. Just have a quick goon before the Naman, bro. Naman, bro. We don't expect this from you. Chill, bro. Chill. I learned from the why not Digit DP. Digit check that out, Lil bro. First of all, Sibam, who are you calling Lil bro? Do you not see this? You think I'm Lil? Do not see this, but let's still see his suggestion. He told why not DP Digit DP, okay. Why not DP Digit DP? Who is this? Bro, what is Digit? See, I am very sure he makes great video, but the point is it's 50, 25, 50, 25, 30, 34. Bro, I can't stand so long videos. I'm pretty sure he teaches really good, bro, but that's crazy. That's crazy. I just changed name just for you so that you can pronounce properly. Uday SD. Decode demystified. I can pronounce that too. Bro, CP guy is a person who do competitive programming. Does he have a YouTube channel or what? You watch Neon Man Newsboy better. Okay, we have the worst opinion in the history of humanity. Hi bro, what's up? What's good, bro? What's good? Bro has attention span of the goldfish. You're right. वो playlist share कर दे digit DP वाली. It's just why not DP by digit DP. You know what? I think this is time that I change. The contest is about to start, so let's just change our thumbnail and all and title. Stream settings. Let's change that. Edit. LeetCode bi-weekly contest. Bi-weekly contest. What is the contest number? What is the contest for today, bro? What is the contest number? Happy lead coding. Thank you, sir. It is bi-weekly contest is gonna start in 5 fucking minutes. 181, bro. We gotta start. 181. Live attempt. Okay, let me change the thumbnail. Chat, what do I keep the thumbnail, bro? What do I keep the thumbnail? Let me just keep the thumbnail as this. I'll change it later. I didn't cut my nails. It's gonna be bad contest for me. What? What is the correlation even there? Hey, leave jokes aside. Try to learn these topics in CP. Like see the way William Lin, Ericto, Eknerwala write code during contest. You will learn a lot. Chand Papya, bro. Thank you for your advice for the first time. You've given an advice. Thank you, bro. I'll keep that in mind. But yeah, typing speed, yo, monkey type. That is a good suggestion, bro. Let's try a typing speed before the contest starts. Let's try this, bro. Order when so then give down. Okay, wait. Think it, bro. Chill. Shant. Oh my. Backmost, tell, place, think, get, also more. First, very, turn, by, people, state, show. Oh my god. Oh! As over, before. Yeah, no, we're not doing this. Papa Aadhaar laga de. Chill, bro. Papa Aadhaar ka thumbnail laga de. Bro, okay, Naman Seni, wait. What was it? Monkey type, right? Monkey type, profile, Kudisht. Bro thinks he's fast until he sees my profile. Hold on. 102 seconds in 15. 102 WPM in 15 seconds. 94 in 30 seconds. Yo, wait. For LeetCode contest, we need to register with a number, right? Bi-weekly contest, register. They want my number now. Bro. At least somebody is asking for my number. Verify a phone number. First, they want to verify my goddamn email. Okay, bro. Let me verify my email. Hold up. I'll break it shortly. Okay, bro. Okay. Bye. Meet you after the all kill. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Let's see if you get that all kill. Get that all kill. I'm just registering for the contest because they. Vaibhav Sharma Pudist. Bro, I didn't get any email. How do I register for the contest? Lead code. What the fuck? All mail. Bro, where is the email from lead? Enter the verification. Yo. Bro. How do I? Bro, I'm not getting the mail. What? Chat. See this. There is no email. A verification code has been sent to Vaibhav Sharma Pudist. Vaibhav Sharma Pudist. There is no lead code here. Lead code. Lead code. Bro. जल्दी कर नहीं तो. What the? How do I register? Promotions में है. कहाँ है भाई? What the hell is this? Bro. How lead coder? Resend, bro. Resend. Fuck. Spam. It's not in spam. It's not in spam. It's not in spam. If I go to spam. Hooray, no spam. See, there's no spam. Bro, I can't. I'll see you lead code, bro. So if we can't participate, resend you stupid Gmail to Chuck Bodhi, Zephyr, bro. Holy, this is okay. This is different account. Let's go here. You telling me I can't participate in today's contest? Spam में कुछ नहीं है भाई. All mail में भी नहीं है. अबे इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं चाहिए भाई मेरे को. लीड कोड कॉन्टेस्ट देने दो. इनबॉक्स सोशल NIT यूनिवर्सिटी. fucking lead code. मोस्ट रिसेंट में भाई कोई है ही नहीं. ब्रो लीड कोड. वैभव शर्मा Pudist @gmail.com. What the? I can verify my email. Bro, how do I participate in the 8 बज गए already. No fucking way. Bro. Not getting my email code. भाई नंबर कैसे ऐड करूं? नंबर ऐड करने के लिए कंटिन्यू. ईमेल तो दे दो. लीड कोड. यू सन ऑफ अ बिच. भाई ईमेल तो दे दो. जीमेल पे जा रहा हूँ. Chat, did anybody same issue? So they are being racist, bro. They are not letting Indians register for the contest. Same भाई मेरे साथ भी यही हो रहा. Bro, lead code is holy. Guess what? I was so excited for today's contest. Yo, wait. Bro, why the hell does my stream have so many ads? I was so excited. Spam में देखो भाई नहीं है यार. Probably they have a lot of traffic at this time. Why the hell do they fucking do this type of shit if they can't handle so much traffic? Contest. अब मैं कैसे करूँ contest भाई? Recent changes. Hello Pudist. This code will expire. Invalid verification code. Invalid. Bro, invalid verification code. What? Lead code, you son of a bitch, bro. We can't attend today's contest. मेरा तो ये भी नहीं आया भाई. Bro, be server issue because of traffic. Yo. What the hell is wrong with leetcode, bro? We can't attend to this contest. मैं कल दूंगा भाई. It was bi-weekly, bro. I was excited. No fucking way. गया account. अब मैं attend करूंगा भी तो मेरी rating गिरेगी. How does that make sense? अब मैं attend करूंगा भी तो. Why can't you handle the traffic? Introduce this backstory. When you can't handle the traffic, introduce this backstory. Exactly, bro. That is what leetcode is doing. No way. Invalid verification code. पहले करना चाहिए था register. भाई मेरी गलती. How does that matter? They have a platform. They should allow us to register at any time. Bhai, yo, could you wait? Let me run a poll. How many of you are actually attempting the contest? How many? Start a poll. Could you register for today's contest? Could you register for today's contest, bro? Unrated बन जाएगा शायद भाई. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. Sunday तक तो नहीं था ऐसा कुछ. भाई पिछले उसमें था. बड़ा मैं saying पिछले वीकेंड तक नहीं था, अब बना दिया था. No. Okay, bro. भाई जिन्होंने आज रजिस्टर करा, bro, they are so lucky. उनकी तो ऐसी रेटिंग बढ़ेगी भाई. ऐसी रेटिंग बढ़ेगी. Bro, they fucking can't use a PubSub model to introduce emails. Holy shit. Holy. Yo. It will not be unrated. Technically, there is no issue from their end. Bro, how the hell is this not an issue from their end? भाई फिर मेरी गलती है. How many of you could register? 17% of you who could register, bro. भाई description में भी लिखा, में भी नहीं लिखा है क्या लोग हैं भाई. Exactly, bro. Exactly. First problem. Vipul, bro, could you register? Vipul, could you register, bro? Can somebody at least show us the problem valid digit number? These assholes, oh my god, bro. आज मेरे को contest देने का इतना मन था. Holy, bro, I'm about to beat somebody at this point. Only CodeChef does this. 2x4 done. Atharv has done 2x4. 18k. Bro, leetcode is such an asshole site, bro. I couldn't able to register. Same. leetcode is सेंडेड फेल हो गई इनकी. एग्जैक्टली भाई, क्या दिक्कत है इनका. किसी ने पहले रजिस्टर करा, उसका चल रहा है भाई. कोई क्वेश्चंस दिखा दो यार. कोई क्वेश्चंस का, you know what, if somebody is being able to attend the contest, भाई paste bin पे जाओ, question paste करो, and then show us the question. At least we can see the question, भाई. At least we can see the bench number verify के लिए पहले फोन नंबर OTP लेते हैं. ईमेल क्यों भाई? एग्जैक्टली भाई, ईमेल ले रहे हैं टू वेरीफाई नंबर. एक कोई बिगनर कोडर करके है, वो लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा है कॉन्टेस्ट की. हैज ही एबल टू लाइक रजिस्टर इन द कॉन्टेस्ट? ईमेल नहीं आ रहा OTP का. एग्जैक्टली भाई, दिस इज क्रेजी. मेरे को ईमेल आया एंड इट इज रॉन्ग. प्लीज रीसेट चेंजेस टू योर leetcode account. Resend, you son of a chat. Guess what? I think it's in our destiny that today we learn digit DP. You know what? I think it's in our destiny. Today we might as well just learn digit DP then. क्या करें भाई अब? I don't register before time because don't know if I get some other work. Exactly. If you have a working brain, you will never register before time, bro. If you have a working brain, you will never register before time. Purisha, just wanna go answer whisper in leetcode here that Vastagana hui. Is that some Instagram trend, bro? I think that is caffeine's code, bro. Chill out. The fuck are you saying? First question is way too easy. 2 done. These people have done 2 already. भाई ऐसा तो नहीं, तू कॉन्टेस्ट में हगने वाला हो इसलिए भगवान ने ऐसा किया. Might be. Leaderboard still or cheaters? एक मिनट, leaderboard में अभी भी cheater है. Okay, so what does this show us? कि leetcode ने to eliminate cheaters, मेरे जैसे ऑनेस्ट लीड कोडर्स का ही एक्सेस ब्लॉक कर दिया भाई. दिस इज व्हाट लीड कोडर्स हैव डन, ब्रो. Like us all, the 60 people that are in the chat today. Just to block cheaters, they have blocked access. Like this Ayush 001, bhai, मान जाओ यार, सुधर जाओ. Saurav, this guy is able to attend contests and I cannot. Saurav Kumar, when he's clearly cheating, bro, why do you do it? Saurav Kumar, Triple ID Ranchi. Let's message him, bro. Let's message him. Let's message him. Let's message him. Let's message him, bro. Connect. Add a note. Bhai, you solved all 4 questions of LeetCode bi-weekly in 2 minutes. Can I please be your disciple? Thanks. Chat, is this fair? Is this fair to send? अरे मतलब चीट किया है, चीट किया है तो नंबर ही बैन कर देंगे ब्रो. डोंट बी रैश, डोंट बी रैश भाई. अब हो ही नहीं रहा वेरीफाई. अब मैं क्या करूं, अब मैं क्या करूं? आज छुट्टी मारो दोस्तों, घर की लग ना ब्रो. सी वी नॉट मेकिंग फन ऑफ हिज फेस. नो नो नो, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग ब्रो. चिल चिल चिल, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. Chill. That's bad, bro. I'm just asking. You solved all 4 questions of LeetCode bi-weekly in 2 minutes. Can I please be your disciple? Thanks. Send. Let's see if he replies. Let's see if he replies, bro. What do we do now? अब कुछ खेलते हैं भाई, और बाद में दिखा देना क्या रिप्लाई आएगा. ओके ब्रो. ब्रो रजिस्टर ही नहीं हो रहा है एनी ट्रिक्स भाई. आई कैन नॉट माई सेल्फ अटेंड द कॉन्टेस्ट. अब मैं क्या करूँ भाई? व्हाट डू आई डू? डिड 2 क्वेश्चंस विद इन 8 मिनट्स ब्रो. नो भाई. कैन somebody on Discord show me probably? Purisht. Oh wait. We got valid. You given in a number is considered valid if it contains at least one occurrence of digit x. It does not start with. What the hell is this question? What the hell is this question? My 4th class sister can solve this stupid question. Valid digit number. What is the second question, bro? Second question. Compare sum of bitonic parts. You're given a bitonic array. Split the array into 2 parts, ascending from 0 to peak element, descending. The peak elements belong to both parts. 0 if the sum of... Bro, this is... Oh my... Holy fuck, this is literally a... Yo... This question is like 40 seconds max. Bro, people are so lucky who got to register for today's contest. No way, bro. Yo, no way. Yo, thank you, Athar, bro, for sending this. Oh my god, bro. LeetCode is such an ass site. Third is hard. 2 done in 7 minutes, got 1 penalty in second, bro. How are you getting penalty in second? That is insane. That is insane. Bro, somebody send for third. Somebody send. ये question मैं सपने में भी कर दूँ भाई. This is exactly. This is a joke of a question. Cry. Piyush, you do know about that concept called as karma, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Amit got the message. Bro, he's my placement coordinator. Bro. Texas Instruments opportunity for female students. I wish I was a female. Can somebody send the third question? I got penalty due to int. Bro, that's crazy. Okay, we have the third question. You're given a... Third question is a graph. You're given an undirected graph with n nodes labeled from node I has value, which is either 0 or 1. The edges of the graph are given by a 2D array. ठीक है, edges दे रखे हैं. For a non-empty subset S of nodes in the graph, we consider the induced subgraph of S generated as follows. What the fuck? We keep only the nodes in S, we keep only the edges whose two endpoints are both in S. Return an integer representing the number of non-empty subsets S of nodes in the graph such that the induced... Oh my god. Who's solving this? I haven't done graph questions in 1000 years. Yo, this is hard, bro. This is hard. This is hard. This is hard. There's no such thing as karma for demons like me. It's just probability. Okay, bro. Okay. Chill now. Chill. This is... Okay, this is a good question. Graph question मैंने करे हुए सालों हो गए मुझे. I haven't done graph questions in 100 years. What do I do? I posted all 4 on my Discord. What is... भाई आपने कहाँ पोस्ट करे भाई? कहाँ पोस्ट करे? Yo, this is a tough one. इसमें 10 raised to 5. This would require a lot of thinking. This would require a lot of thinking. Number of connected components लग रहा है ये तो. I don't even know, bro. It's been so long since I solved graph questions. I don't even know. I don't even know. Can I get a translator for third dude? Yeah, the description is ass, but the question itself is more ass. I haven't touched binary trees and linked list in eternity. Linked list, nobody. If you are doing linked list, bro, you're not a man. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. कल के contest के लिए register कर देना भाई. ओए आ गया, OTP आ गया. Wait. Let me hide my OTP so that nobody else uses my OTP. Invalid verification code. Fuck lead code, bro. Fuck lead. This code will expire after 5 minutes. अब मैं क्या करूं भाई, इतना धीरे आ रहा है तो 5 मिनट इन्होंने TTL दिया है. 13 minutes ago, 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute ago वाला try करो ना भाई. Invalid verification code. Chat, it's still not working, bro. Still not working, bro. Guess what? We might just not be able to enter this contest. Bro, bad luck today, bro. Bad luck. Bad luck today. Do we try to solve the third one? I don't think so I can. I don't even think so I can. अबे fourth तो भाई देखना भी नहीं है. It is a query. मैंने digit DP करी, so today they gave a goddamn segmentary question. Lead code verification system broken. Bro, it's ass. It's ass. I think we can. यार अब मैं try भी तो कैसे करूँ यार? You're given an undirected graph. I think we can try the third question. Do you think so? We should. 3 by 4 done. Status, bro. You did 3 questions. Only 18 k registered today, bro. They are lucky. Lead code queue size is small as their dick. I agree. ये बक्का रैबिट MQ पे है तभी इनका कोड सिस्टम फट गया, ब्रो. भाई 30,000 लोग ही तो रजिस्टर कर रहे हो, उसमें भी they died, bro. Bro, I started lead code and lead code contest because of you. Follow me, bro. Lokesh K1. Let me follow this guy, bro. Lokesh K1. Should we try the third question, bro? It seemed interesting, lekin... Okay, Lokesh, bro, you get my follow. GG's. Try. Okay, yeah, bro. You're right. Let's try. Lead code के भी layouts आने वाले हैं अब. आने वाले हैं lead code के भी. Let's copy this image and let's go to Xcali. File size is too big. Okay, let's just read it. यार मेरे को बार-बार ही क्वेश्चन रीड करना होगा ना, मैं कैसे करूँ? Bro, this is also inconvenient. मेरे को फर्स्ट 2 में पेनल्टी आया बिकॉज ऑफ माय डम ब्लंडर्स, बट लास्ट 2 हो ही नहीं रहे भाई. फर्स्ट 2 में ब्लंडर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ब्लंडर आप हाथ जुड़वा लो भाई. दैट वाज द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ब्लंडर कर रहे हो, Zephyr bro, I'm sorry. ठीक है, मेरे को आप सीधा मेरे को वो दिखाओ, टेस्ट केस दिखाओ। ठीक है, नम्स है 101, तो 3 नोड्स हैं, 2 एजेस हैं। ओके, 0 1 2 connected, yes. Sum of value of nodes. What was the condition bro? अबे यार ऐसे switch ही करते रह जाऊंगा। No, what did I do? My camera must have been turned off. It's on. Wait, let me screenshot this. Capture. Let's go to Xcali. Okay, this is what the question is asking. This is a test case. Okay, this is the test case. Okay, now let's try solving this. This is a second test case. Okay, nice. Second test case is so ass. Okay, एक सबसेट निकालना है आपको नोड्स का, ठीक है। What the fuck? We only keep the nodes in S. We only keep the edges जिसके दोनों endpoints S में है. Fair. Return an integer representing the number of non-empty subsets of nodes in the graph such that induced subgraph is connected. The sum of the node values in S is even. Yo, this question is crazy. How do we do such question? I don't even have a clue. And what are the constraints? 13? Bro, the constraints are just 13. Wait. The constraints are just 13. That might be helpful. It's just 13. Okay, in subgraph का क्या होना चाहिए? उसके nodes. You only keep the nodes in S whose two endpoints are both in S for non-empty subset of nodes. अच्छा, आपने subset निकाला, 13 के subsets बनेंगे. I think, wait, can we not brute force this, bro? Edges length? अच्छा, can we not brute force this, bro? Definitely they are using SendGrid, bro. Might be. Can we not brute force this? Bro, I think we can. We can brute force this, bro. Can we or can we not? There's no diagram. To the guy who's saying diagrams से समझो भाई, कोई diagram है नहीं, मैं बना देता हूँ. Let's take 3 nodes है, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. इसमें अबे यार, it should actually be value लिखूंगा ना मैं तो अंदर 101 sorry 101 नोड नंबर में बाहर लिख देता हूँ 1 2 3 एंड एजेस 0 से 1 के बीच में एंड 1 से 2 के बीच में. एजेस इज फ्रॉम, अबे मेरे नोड नंबर गलत है, 0 1 2. edges is from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. ठीक है. And now they're telling अकेला नोड नंबर 0 ले लो, वो कनेक्टेड है, हाँ, सम ऑफ वैल्यूज 1 तो नहीं काउंट होगा. फेयर. So I think we can. So did you get verification code? Nah, bro, I did not. LeetCode verification system is ass. I did not. 2 power 13. How much is that? So that is so small. I think we can brute force this, bro. I think we can absolutely brute force this. Okay, so the third question is also not tough. Should I try coding it right now? See, I can't even. Bro, today's contest I could have gained quite a lot of rating if I could have registered, bro. This is, we can brute force this. इन्होंने जैसे अब 0 1 0 और 1 कनेक्टेड है, हाँ कनेक्टेड है, यस, सम ऑफ नोड्स 1 है तो काउंट होंगे नहीं, 0 2, नो, नोड 0 एंड 2 आर डिस्कनेक्टेड। ब्रो क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा भाई, ये आपका ग्राफ है, ब्लू में ये है आपके नोड नंबर, ऑरेंज में ये है उस नोड की वैल्यू। अब आपको सबसेट निकालना ऑफ दीज नोड्स। आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द सॉल्यूशन। क्या पता मैं ही गलत सोच रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द क्वेश्चन। नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द सबसेट ऑफ दीज नोड्स जिसमें वो नोड्स कनेक्टेड हों, और वो नोड्स के जो भी एज होगा उस एज के दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स इज इन दैट सबसेट, इज इन दैट सबसेट। हाइड इट, बेटर इट वुड बी। Where did he learn that pop-up sound? No, it's my talent. Hide कर दूं? But I'm not writing any code. The point is मैं तो solution अभी कुछ बनाया भी नहीं. I'm just thinking that we can brute force it. We can. I'm pretty sure. How many subsequence? इस क्या formula होता था? Subsequence of an array formula. 2 raised to n. हाँ. Bro, this is. भाई कोड हाइड करने को बोला, ड्राइंग तो बनाओ ऐसे ही। तो भाई अभी तो कोड लिखा ही नहीं मैंने, अभी तो मैंने कोड लिखा ही नहीं। आई थिंक ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है। Zoom the fourth question for 10 seconds. Okay bro, to the people who want to see the fourth question. कहाँ है fourth question? Let me show you the fourth question. You're given an integer. Remove all the elements. भाई ये देख लो, मैं पढ़ भी नहीं रहा because I know this is kind of like a query, range query जो मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ भाई. This is a range query question. जिसको पढ़ना था, you can read it. Here's the test case. Read it. Okay. हाँ भाई second. Bro, people are fucking up the second question. मेरे को भाई क्रिस बम्स्टेड, यू सेकंड क्वेश्चन में कैसे गलती हो रही है यार, मेरे को समझा दो। अबे लीड कोड को मैं फिर से कहता हूँ, ईमेल वेरीफाई, ओके, नाउ फोन नंबर, कंटिन्यू। अब अगर मेरे को नहीं आई ना, लॉन्ग यार, दैट इज द बेसिक थिंग। अगर आप कॉन्टेस्ट कर रहे हो, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड बी चेकिंग ऑन ब्रो। व्हाट वाज द लास्ट टाइम आई गॉट एन इंट ओवरफ्लो एरर ब्रो? आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी टाइम सून, क्योंकि शुरू में एक बार जब चुभता है ना इंट ओवरफ्लो, उसके बाद यू कैन नेवर फॉरगेट टू यूज लॉन्ग। अभी भी नहीं आ रहा यार, अभी भी नहीं आ रहा। ओके, आई थिंक आई कैन राइट कोड फॉर दिस, आई थिंक आई कैन राइट कोड फॉर दिस। क्या किस्मत है भाई, कॉन्टेस्ट में पूप एंड नाइट वाले में, मॉर्निंग कॉन्टेस्ट में पूप, नाइट वाले में ओटीपी। भाई दिस इज माई लाइफ नाउ ब्रो, दिस इज माई लाइफ नाउ। इसको कर दो कमेंट। नाउ लेट्स ट्राई राइटिंग द कोड। आई डोंट वांट टू शो इट, ऑल्दो मैं आई एम प्रीटी श्योर मैं गलत कोड लिख रहा हूँ। लेट्स ब्रिंग द ब्लर इस साइड पे। ओके, लेट्स ब्रिंग द ब्लर इस साइड पे। आई हैव 2.5 के लाइंस ऑफ कोड जिसमें अच्छा ऊपर है, ठीक है। इंट मेन, अबे मेरे को इनपुट भी खुद लेना पड़ेगा ब्रो, दैट्स द पॉइंट, दैट्स द पॉइंट। आई कैन कोड ऑल्सो बट वो चलेगा नहीं। एग्जैक्टली ब्रो, इनपुट भी खुद लेना पड़ेगा, दैट्स क्रेजी ब्रो। ओके ओके ओके, लीड कोड ने इतना आलसी बना दिया ना, दैट आई फील लाइक टेकिंग इनपुट इज सो सच अ बिग थिंग। व्हाट इज ऑल इन द इनपुट? नम्स है, एजेस है, अच्छा नम्स और एजेस है, ठीक है। तो मैं अभी इनपुट हार्ड कोड कर लेता हूँ। वेक्टर इंट नम्स 1 1 0 1, vector of int edges वेक्टर 0 1 1 2 0 1 1 2 ठीक है. int n equals to nums dot size. Bro, oh my god, my back hurts like crazy. जा रहा वाइवा का पढ़ने जहाँ मुदा है लीड कोड. Yo, good luck for your viva, bro. Good luck for your viva. Well, you know this session Microsoft came to mate. Yeah, bro, I know. It didn't come for in my batch, but it came for my juniors. That's insane. Up now, how would we solve this? सबसे पहले आप सबसेट बनाओगे, फिर सबसेट पे ये कंडीशन चेक करोगे. The induced subgraph of S is connected. कनेक्टेड है कि नहीं है कैसे चेक करते थे? कनेक्टेड है कि नहीं ये कैसे चेक करेंगे हम? Oh, one way. See, there might be some logic, but I am thinking to do DFS from one node. Yeah, probably DFS. Yeah, DFS लगा दे component coloring type. Yeah, exactly. DFS. Connected. Is there a better technique to do? Chat. Of course. Right now, अब हम see we would be discussing a bit of things क्योंकि we are not attending contest technically. हमने तो register भी नहीं करा, so we can discuss a few things. Okay. So don't tell me I'm like solutions बांट रहा हूँ. We are just here brainstorming. OTP not coming. Good morning. Good morning. आपको क्या लग रहा है मैं एक स्कैली पे क्वेश्चन के स्क्रीनशॉट लेके क्यों बैठा हूँ? OTP आ ही नहीं रहा ब्रो. लीड कोड वाले आ ही नहीं रहा भाई. OTP मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा. आ ही नहीं रहा. सो DFS हम रन कर सकते हैं. 13 है भाई. आई थिंक 13 में तो कुछ भी कर दे. It's just 8,000. Why am I thinking of complexity? कुछ भी कर दो भाई. कुछ भी कर दो. कुछ भी कर दो. Let's write a function. Bool is connected. First of all, I think हमें सबसे पहले एक adjacency list बनानी पड़ेगी. Adjacency list बना देते हैं भाई. Bro, the third question is not tough. Now that I look at it, it's not tough. Vector adj list. Now for int I equals to it is directional or what? Unidirected graph. Okay. U से V तक. Okay. For int for auto LE of your edges. For auto LE of your edges, int U equals to LE0, int V equals to LE1. Okay. हम ADJ लिस्ट बनाएंगे ऑफ साइज n. ब्रो इसको ऊपर कैसे मूव करूं? हाउ डू आई मूव दिस अप? यो फक दिस. ओके. एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट बनाएंगे ऑफ साइज n एंड इनिशियली इट्स empty for every element. Okay. Vector int, that's it. अब आप कह सकते हो ADJ list of U से आप B तक जा सकते हो. पुशबैक V. ठीक है. एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट बन गई. Yeah, it's just bro's part-time beatboxer. Guess what? I might be. Bro, एक बार फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चन दिखा दे. मेरा भी रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ. Bro, you can. भाई 3 हो गए. 700 रैंक. Yo, Kavish did 3. 700. Holy shit, bro. GG's, bro. Kavish, bro. GG's. Bro, just create the subsets. Yeah. Create the subsets. By subsets, you mean subsequence. Yeah, it's the same thing. Fair. Bool is connected. Vector int. It's going to take in your nodes. It's going to take in your nodes. Yeah, I think it's going to create your nodes, which is basically your subset. nodes which are basically there in your induced graph. Nodes is going to take in your nodes और ये आपका लेगा ADJ list. ये बताएगा क्या कि आपका सबसेट कनेक्टेड है कि नहीं. That is it. अब आपको इसके साथ मिलेगी एक ADJ लिस्ट मिलेगी जी, बिल्कुल. वेक्टर ऑफ int and ADJ list. Bro, can I still not read? Bro, we got invalid bro, invalid. Never mind. Let's write the code. अब आपको ADJ लिस्ट मिलेगी. DSU भाई, मैं DSU हर बारी भूल जाता हूँ. That's the issue with me. I always forget DSU. My code is blur, right? Yep. और क्या चाहिए होगा? That is it. अब आप oh my god bro, oh my god, नहीं, I don't think so. ऐसे करना चाहिए. What am I doing? I really want to get better at LeetCode. Do a lot of dev. Need your help. I'm 2027 batch guy, bro. Need your help, bro. How can I help you, Ane, bro? How can I help you? भाई बंद कर दो स्ट्रीम, दिमाग का भरोसा हो चुका है. कर दे क्या, bro? Should we do that? I hope the contest becomes unrated. Exactly, bro. भाई कविश की इतनी बढ़िया रेटिंग आ गई है. We're talking about making this unrated. Should I unhide? Xcali कहाँ और कैसे यूज करते हो बता दो, मैं भी यूज करूंगा. अच्छा लगा, ड्रॉबोर्ड यूज करते हैं. कहाँ और कैसे? एज इट जस्ट राइट योर अप्रोचेस है ब्रो. जस्ट राइट योर अप्रोचेस है. सो सबसे पहला पॉइंट इज टू जनरेट सबसेट्स. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू जनरेट सबसेट? व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू जनरेट सब सीक्वेंस, ब्रो? Oh, bit masking. Somebody in the chat also mentioned, bro. Bit masking. Yo, I wrote, if I have the notes with me right now. Chat, let me show you something. 3 done, bro. Is for doable, bro. I couldn't even register. The fuck is this? What is this? So what even is this? I had a notebook wherein I made DSA notes. Yo, look at this. No, this is... Yeah, that notebook is lost. I had a notebook wherein I made DSA notes. It might be here. Hold on. I think I found it. Yes, sir. Take a look at this. Bit masking notes. Vaibhav Sharma, V Sharma, yeah. This was me in, I think, second year. No, not second year. Third year, probably. I can refer to these. These are my notes. Bit masking find all subsets. Yo, no, bro, I'm not in the mood anymore. Chat, what do we do? Stupid, bro. LeetCode is goddamn stupid. दिल्ली में गर्मी हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा भाई, बहुत ज्यादा. अगर अनरेटेड हुआ तो पूरी दुनिया पे. I did it without bit masking. Yeah, bit masking के बिना भी. How did you generate the subsequences? Then, bro? If you did, बंद कर दो. I feel the same, bro. I think we should. रोना आ रहा है. Play Trap Adventure 2, bro. Is that free to play? Trap Adventure 2. You know what? That might just be a better thing. Trap Adventure 2. Play now on Game Picks. It's an online game. It's an online game. Play now. Play. Play now. You know what? Enough leetcode today, bro. No more leetcode. Easy mode. They want to watch us a video for easy mode. Let's just play the hard mode. Let's just play the hard mode. How do I jump? Bro, we can't jump with the space bar. That is so ass. Bro, I know this game is tough. Okay. I died. No, you don't have to. Yeah, we are going with the easy mode. Wait. I need to go with the easy mode. No. How do I? Bro. Hey, one more round. Try these. Cross this. Full screen this. No more bi-weekly bullshit today. Today we are playing games. Bhai, sound come kar le. Okay. Fair. Okay, fair. I did 3 hours before. Maybe that's I didn't face issue. Yeah, bro. Maybe because I was too late. Maybe that's why. Nah, bro. This game is... I want something to relax. This game is going to make me rage more, bro. This game is going to make me rage more. Not giving contest, bro. LeetCode is not giving us the goddamn OTP. LeetCode is not even giving us the goddamn OTP. Oh, this mobile number verification thingy, exactly. I can't even register, bro. How was your contest? I think what's better is if we, I don't know if you guys would play or not, we could actually play Scribble or something. That might be more fun. Scribble or something. Kya scene, bro? We have given up. We're not giving contest anymore. LeetCode, bro. We're not giving contest anymore. Guess what? That's it for the day. Code aa gaya par sahi. Purish, I think I told you about Digit DP by Karthik Arora. Did you? Bro, maybe I forgot. Digit DP Karthik Arora. Hi, the point is it is so... I have the attention span of a goldfish. Okay, these are small videos though. Abhi to DP with Bitmask there. What am I even watching? You're talking about this video. Digit DP. You know what? I can check this out. I can probably check this out. Question 4 kiya. Nahi bhai. Question 4. We have given up on the contest. I'm probably even thinking, why were you not able to register in the contest? They want to verify your mobile number and email and they are not giving you the OTP. Sir, Digit DP by why not DP once? You will not regret. For sure. Bro, I have searched him. I'll watch it probably tonight or something. Slow Roads. What is this game? Endless Driving Zen. Bro, I've never played driving games much. Rendering. WASD. Yeah, this is an NPC game, bro. Auto drive. NPC. We can play this shift hold to boost. Okay. This is on Steam. So do we just drive? Or return to road? Oh hell no. Nice game. We can probably play this someday. इतना लेट OTP आएगा तो कल का वीकली भी नहीं दे पाएंगे भाई. कल के लिए अभी रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा भाई. Your project ID I made leetcode.netlify. From your project ID I made leetcode.netlify.app. What did this guy make? Choose your fighters. LeetCode username. Purisht G. Whose username do I put here, bro? Somebody give me their username. How many did you solve till now into this contest, bro? I did not even 10, bro. I did not even 10. पहले का OTP अब आ रहे line से exactly. Bro, somebody give me their LeetCode username. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा fourth में 3 से ही खुश हूँ. Swastik 19, okay, let's do. My third one was fairly okay. What is this? Stat comparison. Rank, okay. Rank, my rank is 18,000. No, 1,82,000. Swastik is, bro, add commas, bro. Add commas in rank or something. This is 1,50,000. Fair. Total submissions. My total submissions are 1330. Swastik beats me in total submission, bro. You are winning. Easy 387, 533. Swastik wins. Medium 859, 815. I win. Hard 84, 147. Swastik clears by a sweep. Total is 508 by 554. Solved. Okay. Swastik wins. Bro, Swastik wins in every category. My rating is 1918. His is 1646. That is the only place I win. But he beats me in every other category, bro. Yo, this is a good idea, bro. Good idea, honestly. But you can, I think you can make the UI a bit better. I'm new to web dev. Bro, just vibe code it out. Sharan SC. Okay. Let's see Sharan SC. Purisht G and Sharan SC. Initiate battle. Bro, he cooks me. My rank is 1,82,177. His rank is 39,000. No fucking, yo, what is your, what? Sharan SC 482. Here's a 900 questions. Okay, bro, this can be so much better if you make the UI like a bit more intuitive. This is kind of like a list. This can be so much better. I do strive a sheet, bro. I don't feel so comfortable in contest, bro. You can only give contest and then only you will become comfortable. Just start giving contest. Dumpy down. Okay. Purisht G. Dumpy down. Initiate battle. Null. Are you not caching? Dumpy's 39,000. 2,000 submissions. No fucking way, bro. This is. I'm losing with everybody. You know what? Wait. Chat. Bro, I need your help. Let's go to discuss section. Let's. Newest. Nobody has made a post, right? What smells do rats absolutely hate? Get human support? Set traps? What the heck? Bro, what is this? Verify. Bro, we can't do anything without verifying. This is crazy. You know what? I'll be honest. I might as well just end the stream. Solving sheets won't make you battle tested for interview. Sheets are just for revision. Don't assume such questions. Chill guy here, bro. He's with chill guy with a good advice. That's correct, bro. Bro, snap share karna apna. I'm not on Snapchat. What happened, bro? I solved your question 3. Bhai, मैं register नहीं कर पाया. We are not getting the OTP. The ass website LeetCode that is. OTP नहीं आ रहा. Solve 2 questions within 5 minutes. Yo, okay, fair. Before we don't learn DP now. Oh, Rehan, 100%. What a great idea. Discord discuss random talk. We can do that, but before doing that, Before doing that, do you know PICT? I know PICT. Let's write that digit DP code, bro. Let's write that digit DP code that I was writing. Delete this bullshit. Let's write this code, bro. Why is my... Okay, now let's write this digit DP code. For those people who don't know, I'm solving this question. What was the question? Code forces non-zero digits digit DP, something like that. Non-zero digits less than 3, something like that. What was the problem? Bro, what was that problem? The fuck are you putting on? Bro, it is Notepad++. If you are a man, you would know that. If you are a man, you would know that. You would know that. Bro, what was the question that I was solving? What was the question that I was solving? Liz Lads live stream? That's crazy. Okay, that's... What was the question? A code daily. What question was this?
This is how you generally debug. Let's say if it didn't even work.
Tell me the
right,
question
what-
number.
what-
This is 1036C. Code forces 1036C. We are solving this question, bro. Screw lead code, today we do code forces. Screw lead code, today we do code forces. This is the question I'm solving today. Let's go for it. If its decimal representation contains no more than 3 non-zero digits. Okay. Okay. Brian asked how to install your extension in Chrome. M-N33. Yeah, you're right, bro. I need to show that too. I use Notepad++ sometimes in my company. See, that is what men actually use. If you're a man, you need to use Notepad++. Okay. So index to return 1, non-zero to return 0. Now, what are the cases? Agar already smaller hai, if it is smaller, then can write any number, can write any digit. अगर smaller नहीं है, else can make it same or make it smaller. Can make it same or make it smaller. Okay. ये क्या खुद के standards? भाई, this is not my standards. This is a standard in every like big company. If you're a man, you need to use Notepad++. You're an Ion group, yes sir. Do all of guys are smart like Kunal Kushwaha? Guys are good. Yeah, bro. Kunal Kushwaha, he is a good bro. He made a PR in Kubernetes, bro. That's crazy. 2 cases. There was a third case. 0 add करने का. Why did he separate out that case? I can't understand. Why did he separate out the zeroth case? I can't recall. He made a different case कि 0 add करना. Bro, what? Okay, never mind. अगर smaller है, then you can write any digit. Then int answer, not int ll. Hashtag define ll long. ll answer equals to 0. You can say answer plus equals to. आप कोई भी digit लिख सकते हो 0 से लेकर 9 तक. 9 स्टार रेक जिसमें आपकी स्ट्रिंग वही रहेगी, इंडेक्स बढ़ जाएगा. नॉन जीरो, ओ अच्छा, जीरो का केस इसलिए था क्योंकि उसमें नॉन जीरो नहीं बढ़ रहे थे. And then got into GSOC first year as well. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I do know that. That guy is crazy. Correction, he made a PR in Kubernetes Java client when he was in first year. That is crazy. Wait till he finds out about Vim. Bro, I've heard about Vim a lot. I've never actually used it. Is it good? Zero का केस अलग होगा. add a zero, add a non-zero, add a zero. Of adding a zero, answer plus equals to rec, स्ट्रिंग वही रहेगी, लिमिट वही रहेगी, सॉरी, आपका इंडेक्स प्लस वन होगा, नॉन जीरो उतने ही रहेंगे, स्मॉलर अगर ट्रू था तो वो स्मॉलर ही रहेगा, वरना व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज इफ लिमिट ऑफ इंडेक्स इक्वल्स टू जीरो, अगर लिमिट ऑफ इंडेक्स इक्वल टू जीरो है, sorry, is not equals to zero. The fuck am I writing, bro? Bool new smaller equals to bool new smaller. If smaller, then new smaller equals to smaller. New smaller equals to true. Else false. Initially हम false रखेंगे. Else, what the fuck is bro yapping about? Supreme Cosmos, we are doing digit DP, bro. This is not a joke. People might think this is a joke. We are doing classic. Yo, this is a 1900 problem. If I solve this, that would be my highest rated problem ever. The maximum I ever solved on Codeforces was a 1400 problem. Damn, we gotta solve this, bro. We gotta solve this now. I'm not ending the stream until I solve this. I'm not ending the stream until I solve this. Add a zero. न्यू स्मॉलर की यहाँ कंडीशन यहाँ लिख दो कि अगर स्मॉलर इक्वल, अगर स्मॉलर ट्रू था तो आप स्मॉलर ही रखो, वरना आप देखो कि क्या लिमिट ऑफ आई इक्वल्स टू जीरो है, अगर वो जीरो के इक्वल है तो स्मॉलर शुड बी फॉल्स, is not equals to zero. हाँ, Chad, I think this is correct. This is correct. Non-zero वही रहेगा and new smaller. Okay, we are doing this. Pudish bro will do tomorrow's contest true in this stream only. we might as well. We might as well. Are all you guys from Made Smart? Who the hell, bro? Ane, bro. Who the hell told you that? Besides Kunal, I mean, there are quite a few smart people, but don't count me in that group. In that group. Working now, leetcode. But now I'm not attending the contest. Now I'm not. Answer plus equals to recommendation. Limit index non-zero. New smaller. ठीक है. Fair. अब add a non-zero. Zero add कर दिया, अब add a non-zero. Add a non-zero. Write any. अब इसमें क्या करना है? एक मिनट. I need to recall. Non-zero number add कर रहे हो. Can write any digit. अच्छा, क्योंकि हमारा ऑलरेडी नंबर स्मॉलर बन के आ चुका है. ओके. Then answer plus equals to 9 star rec 0 to 9. हाँ नहीं, 1 to 9. 0 हम काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. लिमिट idx plus 1, नॉन जीरो एक बढ़ जाएगा एंड स्मॉलर तो स्मॉलर ही रहेगा, सो इट विल रिमेन ट्रू. कैन राइट एनी डिजिट. अगर स्मॉलर नहीं है सो वी कैन आइदर मेक इट सेम और मेक इट स्मॉलर. int c digit would be limit of I, not int 1 to 3 minus 0. Okay, can make it smaller. So if we, oh my god, what am I doing? अगर आपका अभी तक सेम आ रहा था, कैन मेक इट सेम और मेक इट स्मॉलर. हाँ, बड़ा तो कर ही नहीं सकते. Even it leetcode, it's legal, bro. What? What do you mean? Shaitan, what's up, bro? Shaitan, bro, what's up? Today we are solving a 1900 code forces problem. This is not a joke. 1900 code forces problem is not a joke, bro. ठीक है, can make it same or make it smaller. Int smaller options would be C digit minus 1. अगर 4 तक है 1 2 3, अगर 1 है तो 1 3 1. होल्ड ऑन, 4 है आपका करंट डिजिट और अभी सब कुछ सेम होता हुआ आ रहा है, तो आप उसे स्मॉलर बना सकते हो. हम जीरो का केस नहीं गिनेंगे इसमें, जीरो का केस ऊपर जा रहा है. नॉन जीरो ऐड कर रहे हो. Oh my god. Yo, only 18k people are giving contests today, bro. It is because leetcode did a stupid move of not letting people register. Smaller options होंगे 5 है तो जैसे 1 2 3 4, ठीक है. हाँ हाँ, स्मॉलर ऑप्शन इज देयर. अब क्या होगा, rec plus equals to chat. The answer would be rec plus equals to smaller options if oh my god, bro, this is not easy. Oh yeah, I've solved third one first time. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Congrats. Head banging on stream. Bro, this shit is not easy. Wait. Add a zero. अगर करंट नंबर ही जीरो हुआ, अगर करंट नंबर ही जीरो हुआ तो हम नॉन जीरो थोड़ी ऐड करेंगे. वन माइनस जीरो. वेट, इफ स्मॉलर ऑप्शंस इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो, तब आप करोगे रेक प्लस इक्वल्स टू, नो, आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू स्मॉलर ऑप्शंस स्टार रेक. रेक में आपकी वही लिमिट आएगी, लिमिट आई, इंडेक्स प्लस 1 होगा, आईडीएक्स प्लस 1 होगा, एंड यूर अज्यूमिंग कि आपका नॉन जीरो प्लस 1 होएगा और ट्रू. अब आपका नंबर स्मॉल बन चुका है, ठीक है. एल्स मेक सेम रेक प्लस इक्वल्स टू आंसर, आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू रेक. अब आप करोगे, लिमिट वही रहेगी, इंडेक्स भी प्लस 1 होएगा. नॉन जीरो भरते हैं कि नहीं, वी नीड टू राइट ए न्यू कंडीशन. int new non-zero equals to, what am I doing, bro? Chat, comatose से दूसरी कोई बताओ. Bro, I am trying to solve it. These gooners are discussing comatose and I'm trying to solve a digit DP question here, bro. New non, oh my god, bro, I'm getting confused now. I need to focus. सबसे पहले हमने देखा जीरो का केस ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. जीरो आप कहीं ऐड नहीं करोगे, जीरो केस हो चुका है, ठीक है. मेक इट सेम और मेक इट स्मॉलर. इफ आप सबसे पहले देखोगे, ओह ब्रो, सबसे पहली चीज आप यही देखोगे कि इफ सी डिजिट इज इक्वल टू जीरो, तो आप कंटिन्यू कर दो भाई. नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, निकलो यहां से. कैन मेक इट सेम और स्मॉलर, ठीक है. 1 है, ठीक है, ओके. अब आपको सेम बनाना है तो आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू रेक स्मॉलर ऑप्शंस आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू रेक, लिमिट वही रहेगी, आपका इंडेक्स +1 होएगा, आपका नॉन जीरो भी +1 होएगा, और आपका स्मॉलर जो था वो वैसे ही रहेगा. रिटर्न आंसर. चैट, आई रोट द कोड, आई रोट द कोड. भाई ऐड बंद करना. ओके ब्रो, ओके ओके ओके, आई एम सॉरी. See, I'm stopping the ad right now. Take a look at this. Delay ads. Take a look at this. Delay, bro. Chat ads. Ads are now stopped. For next 10 minutes, bro. No more ads. No more ads. No more ads for the next 10 minutes. Is that Python with scene? Yo, Python. Yo, Sean, what's up? Bro, could you register for today's contest? Could you register for today's contest? Bro, you're so lucky. I could not even register. I could not even register. I didn't even try. Prime Mia Marco was something else. Agree to disagree. Agree to disagree. Okay, I think I've written the code. I need to test it out now. Int main. Let's use. Oh, the 10 raised to 4. The number of test cases. Int t while t minus minus. Chat, this is how we write. This is how we write code forces code, bro. While t minus minus contains two integer l and r. It goes up to ll l comma r cin l r. Okay. Okay. Now ll. This should actually return an ll, bro. ll. ll answer ll. Let's just add one ll star everywhere. No. Make this ll. Okay. Now ll a. My naming convention is as till l equals to rec. Limit आपने बना दी to string l. Bro, I'm writing such trash code. What am I doing? DP is crazy. I'm gonna try learn it, but I recently learned interval DP. Oh, did you? How was your contest today, bro? How was your contest today? Anyone did the third one? It was implementation heavy though. Exactly. The third one was implementation heavy. It wasn't crazy. NTR चल रहा है chat में. What is NTR? What is NTR? I like cheating or sneaky type. What the hell are people discussing, bro? These gooners. Yo. First two were good, then last one made me cry. What about the third one? Bro, what is Goku discussing? Goku and Chris Bumstead are like the topmost, biggest gooners on this planet. 2 string L. Oh, I'm right. नहीं होगा ये question. I'm pretty sure ये नहीं होगा. Limit दे दी. It's inclusive ना. L minus 1 limit दे दी. Index would be 0. Index would be 0. Non-zero 0. Smaller भी 0. ठीक है. Index non-zero and क्या smaller है? No, it is not smaller. ll till r equals to rec to string r comma 0 comma 0 comma false. ll answer equals to till r minus till l. Okay. C out answer and L. Technically this should work, but I can bet my life savings this would not. This would not, bro. This would not. Just because we talk openly does not make us guna, bro. You are. Stop lying. Gonna go to third one now. I skipped and went to fourth because I need to practice graphs, not gonna lie. Bro, I feel like the third one is just implementation. There's not much to think about. Just implement what they're asking. As a men, we are discussing about girls. So what? Fair, bro. Fair. Keep on discussing. I can't act like I don't know. For T lines, the ith line should be the number of classy integers. Okay, let's try running this. Let's try running this. What? Let's copy the void dataset 21462179 2146. What are these errors? Bro, I need to take my code out of this bullshit. I need to take my code. Let's go to CBP compiler. I got that Gooner don't able to grow beard. Let me focus, bro. Goku, bro, let me focus. Let me focus. Bit slash stdc++.h. Just for the record, I can grow beard. Just for the record, I can grow beard, bro. I can. Goku was talking about himself. Using namespace std. Let's paste our code here. Run. Let's see what are the compilation errors. Else if अगर smaller है तो नहीं. Else if limit of I is not equals to 0. ये हटा दो, ठीक है भाई. I was not declared IDX. I was not declared 37. I 100% know this is not gonna work. Bro, my DSA teacher got more beard than you and she's female. Does she got muscles like me though? Does she has muscles like me? C-bum, bro. You are literally using C-bum's DP as your DP. Purish, you're a quantum engineer, right? I'm not a quantum engineer. I just did an internship. Oh my, we can't give, in here we can't give dynamic. Oh my god, bro. Programmers can't accept dynamic. Fuck this. Let's create just a new write, control shift save, or cp.cpp. Now run this. He is DSA engineer. Yes sir, we are DSA engineer. Let's paste our test cases. Paste anyway. What? What was the answer? See out. Bro, is my code even working? 100102. What are the answers? Yo! Bro, contest क्यों attend नहीं किया? भाई, I couldn't register. Bro, no. Don't tell me I just did a 1900 rated question on Code Forces. We need to submit this. 1024. What was my answers? Let's match that once in a while. 1102. 1109. Let's go. Copy this. Start. Submit. Bro, I need to enter first. What is that? CGPA matter for campus placements? In some cases, bro, it's better to have a good CG. failed at test case 5 लिख के ले लो. Let's see. Bro thinks 5 test case भी नहीं चलेंगे. So हो गया. Let's submit. Bro thinks 5 test case भी नहीं चलेंगे. Remove that string कर दिया भाई, कर दिया. Chill. हटा दिया. God is good. 1900 rated problem. My previous base was 1400 on Code Forces. This is a 1900. Let's just hope this works. Into problem code. Oh, fuck. 10360. 10360. Let's go for it. Chat. Let's go for it. In queue. It's in queue right now. It's in queue. The fuck? It's in queue, bro. It's in queue. He gooned in his mind already. Happy splash. Only if the answer gets accepted. In queue. Bro, is there a live contest going on right now? If there's a live contest... There's a live contest going on right now. Bro, this would not be judged. Yo, today is such a bad day. Just because there's a live contest going on Code Forces, my solution will not be judged before contest ends. So we can just do nothing. We can do nothing, bro. Fucking way, bro. Nah, bro, is a swap. Yeah, today's a trash day. You know what? Now I'm pissed off. I can't even judge if my... And the contest will run for the next 1 hour 20 minutes. This, bro. Okay. Congrats for what, bro? Congrats for what? I cannot even see if my solution was correct or not. Guess what? How much GPA is good, bro? At least keep... It depends on your college, bro. In VIT, even 9 is less. Did first and second in 6 minutes and fourth in 1 hour. Still 3K rank, bro. What? That is crazy. After doing 4th question, still 3K is crazy. Ask ChatGPT if it is correct or not. That is what kids do, bro. If you're a man, congrats for being in NQ. Shut up. I guess that's it for today's stream then. Very, very bad stream. The only good thing was I learned a bit of Digit DP. That was the only good thing. But yeah. You know what? Asking ChatGPT would ruin the fun. I'll submit it tomorrow. The same code. I'll submit it tomorrow. Should have given CF contest same time as leetcode. I would have gotten cooked. CTST? What does that mean, CTST? Please don't touch me. Yeah, bro, people are getting weird in the chat. I think, yeah, I might as well just end the stream now. Let's go have dinner. Let's play Scribble. Okay. You know what? Just one last Scribble round before we go. Scribble IO. Create private room. Invite. Okay. Bro, we are playing Scribble. After that, we are ending the stream. Join on Scribble. After that, we are ending the stream. So nobody's gonna join. Don't tell me nobody's gonna play. Varun, my brother. Thank you. Temp, my brother. Vipul. Hello. What's up? Geeky Anshu. Thank you, brothers. Thank you. Powder. Let me increase the player count. Let's keep it 15. Ferrari left the room. Papa damage. Electors. Okay, bro. Let's start. Round 1. Uday is choosing a word, bro. Where to learn Digit DP, bro? Look at the start of my stream. Let me come here this side. Choose Uday, bro. What are you doing? Choose it. Choose the word. Ball. Boom. Yo. I like this, bro. Chill. Is this guy even gonna draw anything? What? Hello even guessed? Small? Stop? Star? Bro, this guy... this guy thinks this drawing is star. He could have literally drawn that star. Holy shit, bro. Uday, bro, you might be dumb as hell. You might be star drawing. Could you not draw this? Could you not draw this? Bro is drawing dots and think we can guess that as a star. Such a bad drawing. Uday, bro, just never draw in your life again. Alexis is choosing a word. Alexis, bro, high hopes from you. High hopes from you. High hopes from you. What the hell is this? What? DRE? Bro, I couldn't spell. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't spell, bro. I couldn't spell. I wrote diary, whereas it should be DRE. It should be DRE. DRE means diary in English. Fair, fair, fair. मुझे भी लो, bro. Join, bro. The link is there. The link is there. Settings. Yeah, it's open. Papa damage. He's doing that. He's doing that. 650. Hello is winning. How the hell? Electus is winning. Yo, Electus is winning. What is this? Manly man. Specs. What is this? Cock cap. No, nobody wrote cock. Sorry. Small. Bro, what? People. Yo, what is this? Gang. Yo, this is gang. This is gang. This is gang. Good drawing, bro. Who was this? Who was this? Papa damage, bro. Good drawing. Good drawing. Good drawing. Honestly, not bad. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Shaitan disliked the drawing? Bro, what could you even draw for gang? What could you even draw for gang? What could you even draw for gang? Go to choosing a word. Bro, it better be good. Better be good. Hotkeys, okay. A 3-letter word? Fuck is this? I. What the hell is bro drawing? What? What is this? Nose? What is bro? Oh. Chad, if you're a virgin, you can never guess this. If you're a virgin, you can never guess this, bro. You cannot. It's for only those people who get a lot of huzz, bro. Like me. Like me. Like me. Wow, here maybe among us. Yeah, everybody's cheating now. Everybody is cheating now. Honestly, the drawing is ass. Whosoever drew this, goat bro, I'm sorry. The worst drawing I've seen up until now. The worst drawing I've seen up until now. Vipul bro. Vipul bro, it was definitely not this word. Hardik is drawing now. Let's see. Bro, reduce your pencil size. Batch. What is bro even drawing? What is, bro? Bro, is he mentally okay? Bro, dislike this drawing, bro. What is he drawing? Oh, oh, I got it, I got it. What? It's not that. What? Chat, somebody help me cheat, bro. Somebody help me cheat. What is this? Geeky and you got it? RN? Electus got it, bro. Yarn? Bro. Yo, what? What is this? Smelly poop. Bro, Momos. What? What even is this? Burn. Bro, just never draw in your life again. Whosoever that guy was, never ever draw in your life again. Never draw in your life again. Never draw in your life again. What is this? Bro, how are people guessing it? It ends with a T. Put air. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Air strip. Bro, it's. What the fuck is this? 911 terrorist aircraft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Momos. Yo, क्या drawing थी भाई? क्या drawing थी भाई वो? Bro, I might just be dumb, bro. Who the guy is making the drawing? Yeah, that's right. Wait, what is this? Oh, 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 no. Bro, how did Newton even guess already? Cat plus cat lemon, cat almond, cat woman. Look at how this nigga drew a woman, bro. Jesus and Pikachu. Okay, okay. Such an ass drawing, bro. I'm waiting for only one round. After that, we're gonna end this. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 chill. Who's the, hello, bro? Hello, bro. Chill out with your drawings, bro. Gooner. Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Bro, chill out with whatever you. This guy's. Yeah. He's trying to get me banned. Electus is voting to kick hello. How do we kick? How do I kick? Muscle? Muscular. Bro, what is? What the? It's me, I'm skinny. Yo. People are so bad at drawing, it's crazy. Yeah, this didn't expect that exactly. That was ass. So bad. What is... Oh, I know this. I know this. It's not that. What do we call this? What do we call that thing with too many legs? Many legs. Yeah, I know that. I know that. Not caterpillar. Anthropod. Arthropod. Arthropod. That's wrong. Centripetal force. No, wait. What? Center. Bro. What is this guy? Did that cheater reply on LinkedIn? Yeah, that's a good thing. We can check that right now. We can check that right now. Centipede. Oh, yeah, you're right. Bro, he did not. He did not. He did not. He did not. Bro, when would my turn to draw come, bro? One punch. When would my turn come to draw? PU. Pudi. What Pudish? Who is this Varun, bro? Signature. Goon. Yo, Newton, bro. Chill, chill, chill. Chill. What is he? How are people guessing with this? Why? Oh, how are people guess? Yo, wait. How are people please? May. Oh, autograph. Auto. Bro. GRAPH. Yes. We did. Nice work. Nice work, bro. Bro, if you're cheating now, I'll beat you. Heart emoji. Okay. If you're cheating, I'm literally cursing you that you'll lose rating in the next contest. See, Shaitan guessed already. Yeah, look at the cheaters. Look at the goddamn cheaters. I didn't even draw anything. And these guys have... Yo. Yeah, crazy. Did not even let me draw. Uday is a nice boy. I'll draw for Uday. See, this is one emoji. This is another. Another emoji. And dislike the drawing? This was literally the best drawing in this entire game, bro. Bro, that centripetal force was hilarious. When did I even say that? Wait. Star. What is this? Animation. Butcher. What is bro drawing? Who the hell is drawing here, bro? Dumpy Don, bro. Your ass at drawing. What is... Yo, dislike the drawing, bro. Dislike the drawing. What is bro even drawing? Envelope kind of shit, bro. What? Bro, what is even... Read those chats. Someone gets China. Your people in the chat are crazy. How are they guessing already? How are they guessing already? Oh. Circuit or what? Blueprint? Yo, Newton and Geeky and Shoot. Tell me, how did you guess that? How the hell did you guess that? Blue to banata kam se kam. Exactly. Yo, Vipul bro, chill with the language, bro. Vipul bro, chill. Speak. Yapping. Spitting. Sorry, playing first time. Yo, chill, bro. Dumpy, bro. Chill. It's all cool. What? How the hell is Geeky like guessing all this? Loud your wig. Love your wig. Scream your wig. Scream loud You need scream loud your. What is dude trying to? And how are people? What? Yo, first of all, what was the logic of adding that last line? What even was the logic of adding that last line? Is he stupid? Is he stupid? Shaitan, bro. Damn you so bad. Bro, what was the last line? What even was the last line? Fire plus fire station. Fire, bro. How can I? Why can I never guess? Firehouse. Oh, I guess it. Oh, fair, bro. Nice drawing. Nice drawing. Firehouse. Yeah, firehouse. Firehouse. Yep. It was firehouse. Bro, even colored. Yo, that's crazy. Even colored. Papa Z is choosing a word. P is so good at this. Bro, Shaitan is actually good. Shaitan is actually good. Scream is word, damn it. So why did he write the word itself? Isn't that cheating? Isn't that cheating? Yo, how is Electus guessing, bro? P, app, apple, phone, iPad. The worst drawing, bro. If I get a chance to draw, bro. If I get a chance to draw. No idea. If I get a chance to draw. Bro. He's drawing right now, okay. I'm number 9. Chill guy must be number 8 then. No, he's not. Chill guy is number 12. Okay. I'm about to out my screen. Contest over, bro. Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is. Bond. Great drawing. Good work. Good work. Great drawing. Good work. Great drawing and good work. Good word too. Honestly, it was easy. Yeah. James Bond. James Bond, yes sir. I could never guess this, bro. Are you dumb or what? Bro, these people are okay till leetcode. What do you mean to say, bro? Status, what do you mean to say? Who could not guess till now? Ball nowhere, exactly. Exactly. Dude, contest destroyed me. What's your rank, bro? What's your rank? What's your rank? Who's drawing, bro? Draw. Newton, bro, draw. How is Geeky Anshu guessing everything? Fuck is this guy? What is this drawing, bro? Someone please help me cheat, bro. Someone please help me cheat. Aim, scope. Bro, what is this? Tall, shotgun. So could you not draw a shotgun? Oh my. Could you not draw a shotgun? Could this guy not draw a shotgun? Short range gun. How are people guessing this? How are people guessing this, bro? That is a shotgun. No clue. Eyelid. Fish. Now everybody would cheat, bro. Everybody would cheat. See, I guessed it first. Finally, I guessed it first. Goldfish, okay. Fair drawing, bro. That's Glock for sure, exactly. Exactly, bro. I just meant on how they are drawing. That was not offensive, bro. Chill, bro. Status, it's all cool. Even if you made a joke, it's all cool. Nice drawing. Starfish Newton, you might be the dumbest man. Gold. Uday guessed it before me. Alectus. Yo. Alectus, big hopes from you. Big hopes from you. What is this? Watch. He guessed it. Easy word, easy drawing. Easy word, easy drawing. Did you do third? I was thinking of generating all subset and then for it. Void, that is exactly how we had to do the third question. It was just still 2 raised to 13. That is exactly how we had to do it. I just meant on how they are drawing. Yeah. Bro, who couldn't guess it till now? Chris, bro. MDR. What was bro typing? Bro, if it is for me, then Papa Damage is choosing a word. Yo, after my like that turn, I'm leaving, bro. It's too long. I need to go have dinner. Do you know graph with this? Of course, bro. Of course. Of course. Do you think I would do digit DP before doing graphs? Abacus. Puzzle. What is this? Shapes. Grade. Grammar. Gram. Block. Black. Block. Bro, Geeky Anshu, is he stupid? How can he guess everything? Instagram. Pie chart. L dreaming. Diagram. Okay, bro. Diagram. Sorry, bro. I cheated. Sorry. But how? What is wrong with Geeky Anshu, bro? How can he guess everything? How can he guess everything? Rehan is choosing a word. Okay. Okay. Too smart? Bro, you need to be nerfed. What happened? What does this guy do? Okay, he's trying to be smart, bro. He's drawing on black background. Vessel. Ooh, I know this. Dumpy Don guessed it. I thought I guessed it. I thought peak, tall, flamingo, tall, tall cock. What? Tall cock? Bro, you meant to say me? Tall cock, enter. Big duck? Ostrich. Yo, when will my turn to draw come, bro? We'll end after my turn comes. Bro, see the hints. There is no way it's flamingo. Yeah, I was stupid. Yeah, you're right. Thief. Chore. Robber. Technically, robber is not a chore, he's a dakia, bro. How dumb. I am kind of. LC 198? LC 198, bro. This is ball knowledge. Yo, who was this? Who was that guy who drew, bro? Bro, who was that guy who drew, bro? That was ball knowledge, bro. He literally gave lead code 198. Triangle. The point that you even choose to draw the shape just shows how much of a unmanly man you are, bro. Triangle. Uday, bro. What is bro even writing? Triangle. Ball knowledge exactly. Reverse triangle, exactly. When will my turn come? Vipul, is my turn ever gonna come? Hit you samosa. Fire. You guys are choosing easy words, bro. Be a man and choose different words. Please, like, come on. These are all easy words. Choose a tough one at least. Choose a tough one. Bro, मेरी turn कब आएगी? Chat, did my turn get skipped or what? The turn will come the moment you will end the stream. Try it. I feel like I feel water. Bro, who's the Varun bro? Draw. Varun bro, draw. He's not even drawing. How do I kick him? Yo, he's drawing. He's drawing. Chill, chill, chill. He's drawing. He's drawing. He's drawing. He's drawing. O plus ozone. Yo, what a nice. Yo, we like this. Okay, so he was thinking about what he could write. He. Oh, damn. This is crazy. This is crazy. Uday, bro, he might be the dumbest player in this lobby. Ball knowledge required, yeah. Exactly. Nice one, bro. Nice one. This was nice. This was actually nice. Dumpy Don, how could you not guess it till now? You must do benzene. Bro, people are again. Let me hide my word. Let me hide my word. I swear to God, bro, please don't cheat. Please don't cheat. I'm drawing. Yeah, they have already guessed it. Yo, these cheaters are crazy. Chat, look at my drawing, bro. Look at my drawing. This is what you call a drawing. Dislike the drawing? Yeah, these these people are jealous. How is that a bad drawing? How is that a bad drawing? And add some hair. Toenail. Look in his lens. Chill. Bro, honestly, okay. You guys keep on playing. You guys play. I need to go have dinner. I've not eaten anything since 8 hours. No, not 8 hours maybe. You didn't have to do that. What? You, bro, I was just being realistic. But yeah, stupid stream. LeetCode is so ass. I couldn't even submit that code forces question. Never mind. That's it for this stream. Stupid stream. I know. Let's meet tomorrow. Make sure friendly reminder register after the contest so that you can attend tomorrow's contest. Had fun, bro. See you. Yes, sir. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining.